दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।
The moon, the sky, the stars, the earth, the trees. Allah created all the universe. Allahu Akbar. Allah is the greatest of all. Allah is worthy enough to be worshipped. Allah is worthy enough to be asked. Allah is worthy enough to be held. Allah has provided provision to all. Allah has said in His final book, وَمَا we should go for us to Makkah. Dear friends, here I and my friends saying that Allah is one. We should follow orders of Allah in our full life. وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا أَنِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ।
दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।